Did you know that some bears can live up to 30 years in the wild? That's 3 times longer than most domestic dogs. This surprising fact gives us a glimpse into the remarkable lives of these majestic creatures. Their longevity, especially when compared to familiar animals like our beloved pets, gives us an intriguing point of reference. So if you've ever wondered about the lifespan of bears, you're in for a treat. Stick around if you want to learn more about how long different types of bears can live. Let's start with one of the most well-known types of bears, the brown bear. The brown bear, an emblem of wilderness, often lives up to 25 years in the wild. But did you know that in captivity, their lifespan can extend up to an impressive 35 years? This difference in lifespan is largely due to factors such as diet and environment. In the wild, brown bears subsist on a diverse diet from berries and plants to fish and small mammals. However, they also face threats from predators, disease, and harsh weather conditions. Contrarily, in captivity, these bears are provided with a consistent, nutrient-rich diet and medical care, and are shielded from the threats present in the wild. These factors significantly contribute to their extended lifespan in captivity. So, brown bears can live quite long lives, especially when compared to other large mammals. Their longevity, whether in the wild or in captivity, is truly a testament to their enduring spirit. Moving on to the Arctic, we have the magnificent polar bear. These awe-inspiring creatures, true kings of the Arctic, typically live up to 20 to 30 years in the wild, with some even reaching the ripe old age of 35. But their lifespan isn't all about numbers. It's a testament to their resilience and adaptation to one of the harshest environments on our planet. Yet their survival isn't without challenges. Climate change and the loss of sea ice are major threats to their lifespan. As the ice melts, polar bears have to swim longer distances, which leads to exhaustion and sometimes even death. But there's hope. Conservation efforts are underway to preserve their natural habitat. Organizations are focusing on reducing greenhouse gas emissions and implementing strategies to protect the polar bear's icy home. So let's not forget these Arctic kings and the struggle they face in their icy realms. Despite their harsh environment, polar bears have adapted to live long, resilient lives. But not all bears live such long lives. Take the panda bear, for instance. These iconic creatures, adored for their distinctive black and white markings, typically live for about 20 years in the wild. That's quite a bit less than their brown and polar bear relatives. This shorter lifespan is in part due to their specialized diet. Pandas rely almost exclusively on bamboo, which doesn't offer much nutritional value. This means they have to eat a lot and spend most of their day doing just that. Moreover, loss of habitat due to human encroachment is another significant factor affecting pandas' lifespan. Their bamboo-rich habitats are shrinking, leaving them with less food and space to live. But there is hope. Conservation efforts are underway, with initiatives to protect their habitats and boost their population. While panda bears may not live as long as their brown and polar cousins, they are still a vital part of our planet's biodiversity. So we've learned that different types of bears have different lifespans. Let's recap. Brown bears, those majestic creatures we often associate with strength and wilderness, can live up to 25 to 30 years in the wild. Their varied diet, which includes berries, fish, and insects, along with their adaptable nature, contribute to their relatively long lifespan. Then we have the kings of the Arctic, the polar bears. Despite their harsh living conditions, these white giants can reach up to 20 to 25 years in the wild. Their diet, primarily seals, helps them survive in such extreme environments. On the other hand, the adorable panda bears, often seen munching bamboo, have a slightly shorter lifespan, typically around 15 to 20 years in the wild. Their diet is primarily bamboo, which, while abundant, does not provide as much nutrition as the varied diets of brown and polar bears. However, it's important to note that these lifespans are influenced by various factors. Diet and environment play a significant role, but human activity, from habitat destruction to climate change, can drastically affect how long these creatures can live. Understanding these fascinating creatures and their lifespans helps us appreciate the diversity and complexity of life on our planet. And remember, every bear has a role to play in maintaining our planet's biodiversity.